Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can block an email address in your Gmail. I will show you two ways you can protect unexpected emails. The first way you can protect is if you receive some unexpected email, open that email. Let's say I don't want to receive from this sender. So after opening the email, click on this three dotted icon. Then click on report spam. So the email marked as spam and we will get it on spam folder. In the spam folder the email is here. So if we mark the email as spam, in future if the same sender send us some email, it will be automatically marked as spam. This will help Gmail to filter unexpected emails from unexpected sender. This is one way we can do. The second way I want to show you is adding a filter. To do that, click on gear icon, then click on settings. Now click on filters and blocked address. Here we will add a filter. To add a new filter, click on create a new filter. From these options we will look at the first option, the sender. Let us write click on create filter. Here is many options. We want to select delete it. Whenever any email is received from this sender, it will be deleted. Now click on create filter. If this sender sends some email to me, it will be automatically deleted. So these are two ways you can add filters or block an email address that you don't want to receive email from. So if you like this video, please hit thumbs up. If you learned something new from this video, please subscribe our channel. Also share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.